Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is basically just a continuation from my how to paint skin tutorial. So this is a how to paint noses and lips. This is basically just how I paint noses and lips. So we're going to do 3 types of skin tones for the noses. A pale skin tone, mid skin tone, and a dark skin tone. And 2 sets of lips. I don't think they're that different. So yeah, so let's get right into it. And this is a front view nose, a 3/4 view nose, and a profile nose. So let's start. And it's just the basic colors that I used in the previous video, which is just red, yellow, and blue to paint everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start mixing the base for the skin tones for the pale skin. And I basically just use the same colors for every type of skin tone, just different values, how dark or light whatever I'm going to be painting at that time is. For my noses, I like to leave a little circle in the center just for the highlight. And sometimes I leave it white, but sometimes I darken it up. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day or how the reference looks for it. Yeah, a little blood is transparent in the nose, so I like to use lots of reds. Just keep adding reds as I go, and then purples for the shadows, like under the nostrils and the nose, because there's really always a shadow there. Even though I painted in the highlight, it still looks lighter because of how light the base tone is and how the midtones and the shadows surround it. So it does look lighter, and I feel like it looks better than if the skin tone was just plain white. If I just left the highlight white, so that's how I like to do it. So now that we're done with that one, let's just go ahead and do. There we have it for the mid skin tone. So now we're going to go ahead and paint the dark skin tone. we have it. So this is it for today's video, and here are the noses again and the lips. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And the next video is probably going to be another tutorial, so you should really check that one out. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.